watering dessert, right?
Yeah.
Some craving. You like after lunch or dinner you feel something heavy. Then you must be like having some sweet or dessert. But today this is a perfect recipe. So she is making caramel custard pudding.
And Hanshu is making a worldwide starter, which is very easy to prepare. So you might be thinking starter, yes, she's preparing Manchurian, but she's not preparing vegetable Manchurian or gobi Manchurian. She's preparing aloo Manchurian.
Yes.
So it's crispy, tasty and spicy. It's very easy to prepare at home.
So my sister will start with her recipe. So let us see.
Yes. Now let's see the ingredients to prepare this pudding. So as you can see, there are very less ingredients to prepare this. So firstly, we are using 1 tablespoon of custard powder. If you're not having this, it's an optional. That's your wish. I'm using 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1 cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of curd, half cup of sugar and 1 cup of milk. So now let's see the process. So now to begin this process, you have to switch on the flame. You have to keep the stove in the medium flame and put a pan. So as we are preparing caramel pudding, so you need this sugar. You have to make this sugar as caramel. So you have to make this syrup, sugar syrup. You have to roast it until it becomes reddish brown color. So now we have to continuously stir it until it becomes reddish brown color. Don't make it fully brown color, so that if you make it fully brown, you will get some bitter taste. So this is the exact color of the caramel. Now you have to transfer this caramel into some container. So now you have to transfer this into some container. And now you spread it evenly. Make sure the sugar syrup is sticked in every side. So now after you're done with the sugar syrup, now you have to take a mixie and add 1 cup of milk into it. Now add 1 cup of curd. Add 1 cup of custard powder. Then you add 1 cup of condensed milk. After adding 1 cup of condensed milk, now add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now you have to grind this all ingredients until it gets some thick consistency. Now you have to take a vessel and boil the water in it, boil some water in it and put a stand. You have to remove this cascade and put it in the top. Let it boil for 5 to 8 minutes. Now I have did this mixture. Now as I told you, the sugar syrup should be at all the sides. Now I am pouring this mixture into it. You have to tap it 3 times so that the air bubbles will go. Now the water started boiling. Now you have to keep this container into it. You have to keep this mixture for 20 to 25 minutes in this container. Sometimes it also takes 30 minutes. You have to keep it in medium flame. After 20 minutes, I'm going to check whether it's completed or not. So put a knife. So as you can see, it came out very clean. So if you people did not get it clean, keep it for 5 to 10 minutes. So, and then you have to take it out and cool it for some time and refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours.
These are the ingredients for aloo manchurian. Let's start with my ingredients. So here, as I said, potatoes. Here we are using half-boiled potatoes. Don't boil it more like we used for some curries or something. But because as we have to make the manchurian, it should be like hard. Here we are using red bell pepper and onions. Here I am not having green bell pepper, but I have red ones. You can even use spring onion. It's the perfect taste for the manchurian, but we are not having at home, so we don't have that. So we are using a homemade red chili sauce, some maida, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, some corn flour, tomato ketchup, this is plain one, and finally I am using salt. So friends, here we are in the procedure. So now I am marinating the potatoes as we did for this crispy corn. So first we'll add 1 cup maida, 1 cup corn flour, half cup corn flour. Now once mix it. Now in this we'll add some ginger garlic paste, some red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Now once mix it, give it a nice mix, and also now salt. Now mix it nicely. Now 2 tablespoons oil. Now mix it nicely. Now we'll add water. Mix it and make sure that there are no lumps, because if lumps are there while marinating the potatoes, it gives not a nice paste. See, you can see like it should be a smooth paste. So now as you can see, it's a thick consistency and nice. So now in this we will add all our potatoes one by one to marinate them like this, you can see. Now marinate them very nicely. You must make sure that here all the potatoes are getting. Now we as it is marinated nicely, once we'll marinate. Now I'm adding oil in this. Now we are going to put it in high flame, as you can see. Now you can see this marination is done over here. Now after it heats, so friends, to check oil, we'll just put it. Now we'll add one by one alus. Yay! So you should fry until golden brown.
Wow, this looks so yummy. Can I eat it also?
No. Akka, its process is still remaining.
Okay, tell me so quick. I'm very hungry.
I'm also tempting. So friends, you also see here as I show you the marination process. So you can do that one. See, it's so crispy and nice, friends. So if you don't like spiciness, you can eat like this only. It's good. Now in this I have kept medium flame and I have added 4 tablespoons of oil. In this we will add some green chili. If you want, you can add the seeds also. It gives a good spicy flavor. And once salt them once. Now we will add some onions. Akka, see, we are adding onions, your favorite.
Yeah.
She likes onions and bell pepper so much because it's so spicy and once sorted, and then again we'll add the next vegetable. And friends, I forgot to mention, you can add some spring onions. It gives a good flavor because actually I don't have spring onions. Now we'll add red bell pepper. You can add any other vegetable because in hotels everything they give lots of veg manchuria, dry manchuria, everything at the restaurant. Now saute it until it is golden brown. Onion should be golden brown. So now first we'll bring it together. Now salt to taste. Now in the salad, tomato ketchup, my favorite. Once now friends, as you can see, the color is changing of both onions and bell pepper. Now in this we will add some ketchup. Now chili sauce. Good also. Soya sauce. Soya sauce gives a good flavor to the manchuria. Some pepper powder. So here we are using lemon juice, but if you have vinegar you can use that. That also gives a good flavor. I'm not having presently, so you can't. It's really tight.
Anshu, it's looking like a restaurant style.
Now it's time to add the magic potatoes. And friends, I forgot to tell you, you can add if you have the mixture marinated ones left, just you can make some balls type with vegetables. Just coat it them and fry and make a gravy. It will be so tasty.
Wow, it looks so yummy. Can I eat it now?
Wait, so at least one ingredient left. So here friends, corn flour and water, mix it without no lumps because we need to make it thick. Now after it mix it, Akka, it's ready.
Wow, I can't wait.
Now let me take out a bowl. Tasting. So now as you can see, it's very thick, nice. Akka, see, it's ready.
Yeah.
So now after this is ready, take it into a serving bowl. You can serve it with sauce or spring onions on top with some coriander. Ta-da! So friends, my aloo manchuria is ready. It's looking so delicious. I'm tempting to eat it fast.
And after my 2 hours of wait, my caramel custard pudding is ready.
It's looking like tomatoes.
Look how delicious it is. I'm gonna cut it now.
Happy birthday.
See,
Happy birthday.
perfect
to
consistency.
you.
Wow.
If you want friends, you can make a double layer, right? Put something cream or something, whatever.
Look at this,
Wow,
guys.
it's so looking
My
so
God.
nice. So nice.
So now let's taste.
I'm tempted to eat everything.
Guys, I'm tasting it now. It's so yummy.
Now
It's
let's
melting
taste
in my
others.
mouth.
Now let's taste others.
Yeah, I'll taste first. It's so yummy, guys.
Friends-
You must try this recipe. These are the best recipes.